Good day everyone, and today we will be discussing the Human Genome Project, its goals, the challenges it faced, and its outcomes. We'll also explore how genome sequencing has transformed medicine, forensics, and biotechnology.
The Human Genome Project, launched in 1990, aimed to map and understand all the genes of human beings, collectively known as the genome. It had several main goals: to identify all the genes in human DNA, to determine the sequence of the 3 billion chemical base pairs, to store this information in databases, to improve tools for data analysis, and to address ethical, legal, and social issues.
The HGP faced major scientific and technological challenges. First, in sheer amount of data, 3 billion base pairs. Also, the technology at the time was slow and expensive. Collaboration between scientists across the world was complex. There were also ethical debates about gene privacy, patenting, and misuse of genetic information.
The Human Genome Project was completed in 2003. It led to faster and cheaper sequencing technologies. Scientists identified over 20,000 human genes. The data opened new doors in medicine, especially in the diagnostic genetic disorders. It also led to a better understanding of cancer and rare diseases.
In medicine, genome sequencing helped create personalized treatment based on the person's DNA. In forensic DNA, profiling revolutionized criminal investigation. In biotechnology, the project boosted genetic engineering, CRISPR gene editing, and development of genetically modified organisms or GMOs.
In conclusion, the Human Genome Project changed the course of science and medicine. Though it faced huge challenges, its success gave birth to powerful applications that continue to grow today. It also raised ethical questions we are still addressing now. That's all. Thank you for watching.